Thanks everybody for tuning in to my channel. I really do appreciate it. My trucker boyfriend Rob asked me if I would come on the road with him for 1 week. I quickly said yeah because I miss my trucker. I have been wearing this longer wig, which I absolutely love, but I want something different for this road trip. So I'm thinking, what can I do that's going to be convenient, that will last me an entire week, that I don't have to do a lot of preparation with? My little topper hair unit is almost finished. Now I just want to put some color in it to really jazz it up. I learned this technique for shampooing your wig with Dawn from this great hairstylist here on YouTube, Slayed by Jordan. He is so talented, especially about color. And I love this technique of just washing the wig with Dawn. I've got my basin filled with hot water, and I'm leaving this top part that I don't want to get quite as light as the back part. I'm leaving that to process a little longer. In the meanwhile, I'm just going to rinse this color out to stop it right there where it is, and just wait for that top hair to process. Now I am going to use this lathering toner by Blonde Brilliance. I get this from Sally Beauty, and that actually toned down the brassiness that comes from using bleach on dark hair. I absolutely love this lace adhesive spray that I discovered at my local beauty supply. It is fantastic. I use it in place of Miss Lola's adhesive cream, and it holds my units on just as long as the cream does without any kind of residue. The cleanup is super easy. I am in love with this product. This looks great. Oh my goodness, this little hair unit is going to be so easy for me to maintain because I'm not going to have to do anything to it. And then I did this little cute cut in the back, blending it with my own hair. It is on securely. I don't have to take any tapes or any adhesive with me because we live out of the truck and there's nowhere to stop and do hair. Everything I do is on the truck, other than at the rest stops when we go and we have our showers and I'll do a little something. But I don't want to be worried up with hair. So when I retire for the evening, my little wrap cap, all I'm going to do is like this. And when I get up in the morning, take it off, and I'll still have my cute little hairstyle for the different ports and stops that we're going to be making. I still want to look cute, but I don't want the hassle of doing anything with my hair. This little cute unit, oh, it feels perfect. I absolutely love it. Let me know in the comments how you like this little hair unit that I made so quick and easy, just with the 4x4 closure. And then I added lace to the cap and then did the little tricks with the baby hairs with this even adhesive lace spray. I absolutely love it. For this next week coming, I'm gonna be a trucker chick, but when I see you next time, I'm gonna be the magic wig maker again with a beautiful transformation makeover that you are absolutely gonna love. If you've not done so already, please subscribe, like, share, tell everybody about the magic wig maker, and most of all, click that notification bell so you'll always know when I'm working my magic. Take care, everybody. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.